Imagine teaching a computer to see a room the way you do, not just recognize a door or a window, but understand how everything fits together in 3D space. That's the bold goal of SPATIAL LM, a groundbreaking model that transforms chaotic 3D data into clear, structured blueprints of real-world environments. So how does it work? Let's start with the basics. When you scan a room with a sensor or a phone, you get a 3D point cloud, a digital fingerprint of the space, made up of thousands or even millions of points. But here's the problem: those points are just raw data. They don't tell the computer what they represent. A wall isn't a wall to the machine, it's just a cluster of dots. Traditional AI models tackle this by building custom networks for each task, like one to detect walls, another for furniture, and so on. But SPATIAL LM takes a smarter approach. It uses a large language model, the same tech that powers chatbots and text generators, to interpret these point clouds. Instead of forcing the AI to see in 3D, the researchers treat the data like a language. They convert the 3D structure into a set of instructions, like a blueprint written in code. A wall isn't just a shape. It's a line of text with coordinates, dimensions, and relationships to other objects. This makes the model's output human-readable and easily editable, like a digital blueprint you can tweak and expand. But how do you train a language model to understand 3D data? The team created a massive synthetic dataset: 12, 328 indoor scenes, 54,778 rooms, each with detailed 3D annotations. Unlike real-world datasets, which are scarce and time-consuming to build, this one was generated using professional interior designs. They filtered out low-quality scenes and ensured diversity, creating a dataset so rich it's like a virtual museum of rooms. The model itself follows a simple yet powerful pipeline. A point cloud encoder translates the raw data into features. An MLP, a type of neural network, refines those features, and the LLM generates the structured output. It's like teaching a child to describe a room by first showing them the building blocks, then letting them piece it together. And the results? SPATIAL LM outperforms existing methods in layout estimation and 3D object detection. It even handles data from unexpected sources, like single-camera videos. Imagine scanning a room with your phone and getting a detailed 3D map. But here's where it gets even more exciting. SPATIAL LM isn't just about recognition, it's about understanding. By treating 3D data as a structured language, the model can infer relationships between objects. For example, it doesn't just identify a sofa. It understands it's likely placed near a coffee table, in a living room, and possibly adjacent to a TV. This spatial reasoning allows it to fill in gaps, like guessing a shoe cabinet from a vague blob in a scan, or identifying a nightstand based on its placement near a bed. In tests, it achieved 96.8% accuracy in labeling ambiguous objects, outperforming traditional methods by a significant margin. This isn't just a technical win. It's a gateway to smarter augmented reality, better robot navigation, and even virtual home design. By bridging the gap between 3D data and human-like understanding, SPATIAL LM shows how language models can evolve beyond text, into the very spaces we live in. The implications are huge. Imagine a robot navigating a cluttered warehouse, using SPATIAL LM to map its environment in real time. Or an architect designing a building by simply describing their vision, with the AI generating a 3D blueprint. This technology isn't just about improving accuracy, it's about redefining how AI interacts with the physical world. Next time you walk into a room, think, what if your phone could understand it as deeply as you do? That's the future this research is building. But SPATIAL LM's true power lies in its adaptability. Unlike traditional models that require task-specific training, this system works with any 3D data, whether it's a smartphone scan, a video game environment, or a text-to-3D prompt. Want to find all the tables in a virtual living room? Just describe it and the model does the rest. This zero-shot capability means it can tackle unseen objects and scenarios without additional training, making it a game-changer for real-world applications. The next time you see a 3D model or a smart home tool, remember, this is the code turning abstract data into real-world magic. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the future of AI, because the next breakthrough is just a scan away. Want to see how this works in action? Hit subscribe and let's keep exploring the future of AI together.